Hey guys, this is Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a new coffee machine that I got on yesterday. I got the Nespresso Virtue Next. So I'm getting ready to go downstairs to try and make me a cup of coffee because I've never used it before and I'm so excited about that. So let's go downstairs and try to make this cup of coffee. And then later on today, I think I'll take you guys with me. I gotta go to a few stores, so I have to go to Walgreens, and I also got a juicer too, guys. So I wanted to pick up a few more things for that juicer because I'll be making juice today. And then again, like I said, I will be making some of the coffee with this new coffee machine that I have. So, all right, so this is the one that I have, the Nespresso Virtue Next. And I've been wanting this one for a while. So, and I finally got it. So I found it on sale at Target for $130, I think it was $135. And what you get with it is, of course, the machine and the coffee pod. So they give you, I think it's like 12 sample pods in the pack. And so I'm getting ready to go try to mess around with that to see if I can figure it out. So yeah, guys, let's go. So this is where it is. I'm moving it over here in this corner. This is where my old machine used to be. So I'm gonna try this over here. And let me show you the pods and see what they look like. So here's the machine, and I've already added some, I've already rinsed out the water container at the back and filled it up with some water. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna run, let me get a container because I need to run a cycle of water. Okay, so as the directions mentioned, let's see. They said hit it a couple times real fast within I think it's 3 times within 2 seconds to clean it out. Okay, y'all, so here's the cleaning cycle. So I'm getting ready just to continue to run the rest of the water. Since it's brand new, you want to run a cycle of clean water to make sure you get all the particles out of it or whatever. And make sure you clean the back reservoir and fill it with some fresh water, which I've done. And I'm using some water from the filter. And it's pretty loud. Let me show y'all the coffee pods that I have. So this is what came with the machine. So this is what came with. I was teasing. Okay, so here's the packaging, the Nespresso. And I was reading up on this last night, and it's just so interesting. So let me get done talking after the cycle runs. Hold on. Alright, so here's the different pods. And then as you can see, they have different pods for different types of drinks. And what I'm gonna try to make first is the iced coffee. So these are the ones that you use for iced coffee. And it's called the ice, I think it's Ligaro that I have. And I've been hearing that one is pretty good. And there's a few other, actually there's not one in here. I'm gonna go get some of these today. So I wanted to try this one, but it's not in here. But I think I'm gonna try this one. The Bianco or Blanco Ligero. Y'all correct me if I'm saying it wrong, but so I'm new to the Nespresso game. So this is the pod that I'll be using. And I'm gonna make a iced coffee from this one. And this makes up to 2.7 ounce. See, as you can see, each pod makes a certain ounce. So I'm gonna try to use this one. And yeah, so we'll see what happens. Here's all the different little coffees. Like I said, I want to get this one first, either one of these, and then I'll just go ahead and sample all these. Not today, but I'll sample these to see which one that I like. And a video should be coming out soon. I'll be doing another coffee bar video because I did one for Halloween, and I'm gonna do one for Christmas too. So you guys stay tuned for that. right, y'all, so I just wasted one of those. So let me try the Stormio. All right, y'all, so I want to see what this tastes like. Do a taste tester. See what this tastes like. And it's not watered down. And let's see, the one that I used, I think it was the Stormio. I think I like this one. This is really good. So this is not a sponsored video, guys, but if you like coffee, iced coffees, or any type of coffees, then this machine is gonna be it. It tastes really good. So I'll clean my mess up and then I'll come back because I need to get my day started. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Bye.